Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to set up Linux and Windows subsystem. Click on Windows logo, search for turn Windows switches on and off. Click on need to open. Now scroll down. At last you see Windows subsystem for Linux. Click on it and click on OK to activate it. Now it is setting up the files necessary to run Windows subsystem in your Windows laptop or computer. The Windows subsystem Linux is available in Windows 10 and higher only. I guess so. Click on list. After rebooting, we have successfully returned. The reboot is successfully done. Now click on Microsoft Store. After loading the Windows subsystem, after opening the Microsoft Store, search for Linux. Now you will get a collection of Linux distros and apps related to it. Install whichever version you want. There are Kali Linux, CC, Ubuntu, Debian available here. I am going to install Ubuntu latest version 20.0 20 Ubuntu 20 version. Click on it. Click on get. Download LTS version. It is runtime support, which will be a 15 to 20 years, I guess. LTS version of Ubuntu and receives up to 5 years upgrade. Wait for it to download. The file size is of 498 MB. The download has successfully completed. You need a good internet speed. Click on OK. Open. Now it will ask you to set up the environment and user ID and passwords. Press key to continue. WSO2 requires an update in kernel component for information visit. First of all, let's see that the future is turned on or not. Ubuntu 18 is of 300 MB. Most of the developers prefer Linux Windows because the command tools present there will make your work faster, simple, and easier to work. There are so many tools that Windows don't have in terminal based. Click on open. Press a key. Is it not loading? Let's visit here. Copy it. Search in web. Type this command in your terminal. Ctrl Shift V. Click enter. Please enable the virtual platform to install virtualization is enabled in BIOS. Let's manually install the Linux in Windows using WSL command. -t Ubuntu. It will install the Ubuntu file. Let's type in WSL -dash install. And go to settings. Windows update. Check full updates. Click on download and install. And downloading the update file. Windows subsystem Linux 2 by manually. Open the file. Click on next. Accept as. Let's try to install Windows Ubuntu. The virtual machine could not be started because a required feature is not installed. It seems. Open power share. System power share and click on right click to paste the copied comment and click enter. Elevator permission required to run TAS USA elevator command. Click on run and search for WinWare. The version is 2012. I will come after downloading the file. WSET has the set version. Ubuntu 20.0.2, 20.04 with version 2. These are list of versions available here. Let's install WSET dash install dash t Ubuntu 20.04. I typed the command wrong. Instead of W, I gave singular. It is downloading. Ubuntu 20.4 latest long-term support. Let's check fail error. Let's type hyper. We have to enable hyper AV, it seems. Click on start. Turn window switches on and off. Scroll down a bit. I think Hyper-V is Hypervision, which is present here. Let's minimize all of this. Let's enable virtualization platform also. Click on OK. It will ask for update, restart, reboot. Let's open it and check it. And apply it again. Windows Hypervision virtualization software runs on Windows Hypervision and virtualization platform. Both are necessary to run Windows subsystem for Linux. It will take some time. Discipline changes. After rebooting, we are back here. Now let's try to install the Ubuntu 2020. Successfully it is loading. We resolved the error by setting up hypervision and a virtual environment in Windows features. After activating Windows subsystem for Linux, it will take 1 or 2 minutes to load. Give your username for Ubuntu Linux version. I give my name. It is asking for a password which will be not visible. You have to remember. Let me type in. Retype the password. Now you have successfully installed Ubuntu in your Windows operating system. You can use all Linux commands such as ls to list the files present, pw to check the directory value, or cd to change. If you want to go to your system, go to cd temp slash home slash. No, it will be in mount /mount slash crt. Now you can see all your files present in your directory. You can use touch to create files. Touch name .txt let's export in text name.txt using cat command. Nothing is present. Now open text editor like nano name slash text. After entering text, you have to save it by pressing Ctrl V, click enter, click Ctrl X, enter name.txt file saved in the name text editor. Let's see what in it. Type cat name.txt. You can see the text. How are you? Give feedback. Give feedback in this video in comment section. Can't type Ctrl X. Let's try to save it. Click enter. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. I will upload videos related to tech. Please like, share and subscribe. You can add this to your terminal, Windows terminal. I guess it already added to it. Yes, it already added. You can open it here. You can set it as default. Go to settings, default terminal, select which version you want to use. Click on save. Let's close it. Close all. If you open the Windows terminal, you will see the Ubuntu in your Windows terminal. That's it for this video. Thank you.